Hello, everyone. Welcome to another episode of Visionary Voices. Today, we have with us Miss Kriti Datar. Ma'am is the co-founder of K-Pot, and Ma'am has actually revolutionized the sugarcane juice industry in our country. Ma'am has done a commendable job in taking it from the unorganized sector to the organized sector to even setting up a juice vending machine at the Cricket World Cup 2023, which happened in India. Congratulations, Ma'am. We are really happy and proud to have you over here with us. My first question to you would be, what was the biggest challenge that you faced in reviving the sugarcane juice culture in India?
Right. So biggest challenge in terms of whenever you're organizing an unorganized sector, you have to start doing a lot of groundwork, right? Right from interacting with farmers to get them sugarcane, especially having the quality parameters in place that we want of a certain quality, and also those have been challenges on one side, and on second side, of course, the technology that we have built is innovative. There's no reference point for that anywhere globally. We were the first ones to build it, so even building that product itself was a huge challenge. And that made the journey a little longer because especially it's a product, right? It's a hardware product, and that is basically a combination of hardware, software, IoT. So it's a complex product. But now, once that it is commercialized for consumers, it's a very simple to use and a fancy machine from where they can have the fresh sugarcane juice.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, adding on to what you said, a second question that I would like to ask, how do you balance between hygiene, taste, and technology with Kalebot?
See, technology will always be an enabler. Okay. A consumer doesn't care what your technology is.
Yes.
Right? A consumer cares only about the final product that they get. So they're concerned about IG, they're concerned about the quality. And that is something which is very, very important, irrespective of whether you use technology or not. Technology is basically used to make it more accessible, make it more scalable from the business perspective, right? And also to make a little change in the way sugarcane juice as a product is looked at. Because it's always looked at as a roadside product, yeah, right? It's served in roadside shops. So when you have a fancy looking machine, a nice technology, which is like, robotic kind of thing, it adds the value, but still the basic foundation. See, initially customer might get attracted to technology because it is unique, but if you have to keep them coming back, then of course the quality and hygiene are very important parameters, and they are the focal point for what we are doing here.
Exactly. Thank you so much. You're welcome. Thank you, everyone. Thanks for tuning in.